in horses and chariots, body armor flesh, no man can. What's your name?
Hello?
What's your name?
Okay, my name is Emmanuel. I'm calling from Lekki.
Emmanuel, how can we help you?
Yeah, I wanted to play Cornelius Benjamin.
Which of them?
I said Cornelius Benjamin.
Yes, which of his tracks? I know Cornelius Benjamin. What's
Any current one from any of them is okay for me.
Okay, I'll do that for you, Emmanuel, okay? Just keep listening.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Radio Room Service, only on Ozisa 96.1 FM Owerri. Hello, good evening.
Yeah, good evening. How are you?
I'm doing great. Please give me the password.
Are you people out of network or what?
How do you mean?
I've been trying to connect to your station since afternoon. It has not been clicking.
You mean online or by tuning?
No, normal radio.
Well, we are on. We are on air. You can hear me. I'm on air. I'm live doing a program. Okay? It depends on where you are situated or something. I hope you.
Let me check.
Where are you? Where are you? Which location are you?
Amakoya present.
Amakoya is just a stone throw from here. You can get us, okay? Loud and clear. We are on air. 96.1.
I know. Let me check more.
All right. Thank you for calling. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello.
Yes, good evening. Welcome to Radio Room Service.
Hello.
Say Radio Room Service.
Hello. I'm done. My name is Nicholas.
Nicholas, are you in the market square?
Yes, Nicholas.
Okay. How can we help you, please?
Please, I want you to help me to give me the number of Lady of Life, because I don't normally with the time. You always been service in 10 past.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Lady of Love is not a staff of Ozisa FM. Lady of Love is not a staff of Ozisa FM, so you may not get the number from here.
But you can't give me a number.
Oh my goodness. Okay, don't worry. You will have to call back after now, okay? We're actually on a program.
I'm not hearing you.
Okay, some days are like that, okay? When you're serving the public, okay, you should be ready to entertain some drama. Okay, hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Welcome to Radio Room Service. Give me the password.
Radio Room Service.
How can we help you? What's your name?
My name is Chioma from Ebu.
Okay, Choma, how can we help you?
I want you to play me Overdue by Chidema.
Okay, Jehovah Overdue.
And congratulations by Ada.
Waiting now. Waiting, Choma. Are you Oliver Twist? You want some more? Okay, she just hung up. All right, you're only entitled to one song, one request per time. Okay, Chidima, Choma. All right, I'll play that song, Jehovah Overdue. Right now, let's get to the dance floor and roll out the songs you have requested for. Stay tuned. It's Radio Room Service. Only on Ozisa 96.1 FM Owerri. Hello, good evening.
Hello, sister.
Good evening.
Okay, help me now for our number.
Oh my goodness.
I want to message you.
Excuse me. I told you that you are calling on in the wrong time. I'm actually doing a live program, and this is the lady you're requesting for her number doesn't work here. She's not a staff of Ozisa FM, so I don't know how you want me to help you. All right?
Okay.
Please, kindly exercise patience. If I'm going to do that for you, I'll do that after my show. All right? I have your number written down.
Okay.
All right, thank you. Oh my goodness. It's Radio Room Service, only on Ozisa 96.1 FM Owerri. Tell us how we can help you, because we are right here at your service. The numbers to call remains 0708 264 1625 or 0803 225 3415. All right, we've got barely 7 minutes, or less than 7 minutes to wrap up the show. Remember the numbers, the time to call is now, and the numbers are still, the studio lines are still open for you to call in and make a choice of the song you love to listen to at this time. All right, make me your radio and call me up if you want to enjoy any song at this time. Hello, good evening. Hello, good evening. Can you speak up? I can barely hear you. Your name is what? Publicity. Can you give me the password? Say radio room service. Say radio room service. Repeat after me. Radio room service. Radio room service. So how can we help you, publicity? Tell me. Go ahead and tell me how we can help you. Hello? Hello, publicity? Are you still there? Okay, keep the calls coming. All right, it's radio room service only on Ozisa 96.1 FM. Oh, worry. Hello, good evening. How can we help you? Good to have you, Mr. Lewis. How can we help you?
Yes, I want you to play me my record.
Oh my goodness. Okay, I'll play that song for you. All right? Enjoy yourself and have a beautiful evening. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening.
My name is Mary Young.
Mary Young. Is it our own Mary Young or someone else?
How you doing, ma?
I'm doing great. Give me the password, Mary Young.
Radio room service.
How can we help you, Mary Young?
I need you to send me only fan. Yes.
Only Fan
Yes.
By-
DJ Nexon.
by DJ Nexon.
Yes.
Okay, Mary Young will play that song for you. Just keep listening, okay?
All right. Thank you.
All right, thanks for calling. All right, we'll have to get to the dance floor and roll out the songs, but let me just take one more call. Hello, good evening.
Hello, good evening.
Yes, welcome to Radio Room Service. Give me the password.
Remember me the password.
Radio Room Service.
Okay, radio room service.
Radio Room Service.
Radio room service.
Yes, how can we help you, sir? What's your name?
Yes, my name is Ozisa. I'm calling from Isakala.
Okay, so how can we help you, Mr. Mecca?
Yes, you want me to play me music by Bob Marley,
Which of the tracks?
African Unite.
Bob Marley, Africa Unite. Okay, we'll play you that song, all right? Thanks for calling. Keep listening.
Yes, thank you.
You're wel-
That guy.
Okay, welcome. Good night. All right, at this time, we'll get to the dance floor and roll out the songs. Remember that in a few minutes' time, I will be taking a bow, all right, to make way for the Igbo time belts, of which Nansongwa will be at the helm of affairs, okay, to bring you the Igbo program. My name is Jennifer Ogogo. Stay tuned. Good evening.